Today we're going to study some sight words from our Level B sight word list. We're going to start with the words went, are, this, look, and for. Let's start by studying the sight word went. First, let's count how many letters are in the word went. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's spell the word went. W-E-N-T. I see one vowel, E, 3 consonants, W, N, and T. Let's clap the syllables that we hear in the word went. Went. Went has 1 syllable. Next, let's use the sight word went in a sentence. My sentence says, I went to the park. Now you think of a sentence with the sight word went in it and say it out loud now. Good job. Let's get ready to read and write the word went. You can write this in the air with your finger, or you can write it down if you have a piece of paper and a pencil, or even on a whiteboard. Ready? Let's start with our W. Always start at the top. Down, up, down, up. E, start here. Go over, up, and around. N, start at the top. Down, then go back up and down. And T, start at the top. Down, and then make your line across. Let's read the word went. Our next word we're going to study is the sight word are. Let's count the letters. 1, 2, 3. I see 2 vowels in this word, A and E, and 1 consonant, R. Let's clap the syllables we hear in the sight word are. Ready? Are. Let's spell it A-R-E. Next, let's use the sight word are in a sentence. My sentence says, we are at home. Now you think of a sentence with the sight word are in it and say it out loud now. Good job. Let's get ready to read and write the sight word are. Let's start with the letter A. Make a circle around and then draw a line down on this side. R, start at the top, down, go back up, and make a little curve at the top, and then our lowercase e, start here, over, up, and around. Read the word are. Our next sight word we're going to study is this. Let's spell the word this. T-H-I-S. Let's count how many letters. 1, 2, 3, 4. There's 1 vowel, I, and 3 consonants, T-H-S. Let's clap the syllables. Ready? This. This has 1 syllable. Let's use the sight word this in a sentence. My sentence says, I like this hat. You think of a sentence and say it out loud now. Good job. Let's get ready to read and write the sight word this. Let's start with T. Start at the top, go down, make a line across. Start with your H at the top, down, up, and down. I, straight line down, then make your dot at the top. And S, start at the top, curve around and down. Read the word this. Our next sight word we're going to study is look. Let's spell it. L-O-O-K. Let's count the letters. 1, 2, 3, 4. There's 2 vowels. They're both an O right there in the middle, and then an L and a K. Let's clap the syllables. Look. Let's use the sight word look in a sentence. My sentence says, look at the moon. You think of a sentence with the sight word look in it and say it out loud now. Nice. Let's get ready to read and write the sight word look. Let's start with our L at the top. Make a straight line down. O, curve around. Another O, curve around. And our K, start at the top and go straight line down. Come to the middle of that line and go up and then make another little line down. Let's read the word look. Our last word we're going to study today is the sight word for. Let's spell it. F-O-R. Let's count the letters. 1, 2, 3. I see one vowel in the middle, O, and then an F-R, 2 consonants. Let's clap the syllables. Ready? For. This is not like the number 4. Let's use it in a sentence. This sentence says, I have a gift for you. Now you think of a sentence that has the sight word for in it and say it out loud now. Good job. Let's get ready to read and write the sight word for. Let's start with our F. Start at the top, curve round and down, and make a line across. O, circle around, and R. Straight line down, come back up, and make the little curve. Let's read the sight word for. Now, point and read all the sight words you know. Ready? Let's start over here. Went, are, this, look, for. Great job. We know that learning sight words can help us read and write.